This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Monday, May the 12th. Three big topics that we're going to really drive futures today. Number one, the U.S. planting pace and weather conditions. Pretty good. We're going to see a lot of planting, a big jump in progress I expect to see tonight again. Trade pretty much not worried about planting anymore. Even the wet spots of the Corn Belt saw some activity here. So, the acreage debate still not done, but the crop is getting put in. The question is now is do guys feel comfortable with input costs and everything else of putting in the volume of corn acres that were suspected. So we are seeing progress, and now we'll see more attention on weather for the development of the crop. And there are some concerns in the western corn belt, so we'll be watching those. Number two, the WASDE report comes out today. Bottom line, corn carryout is the only number really expected to change significantly from last month, and that's really not even on old crop. All the old crop numbers expected to hold pretty much the same. New crop, we get the first look at the 25-26 USDA balance sheets today. Wheat and soybeans expected to be pretty much unchanged from this year. That'll keep us around 360 million bushels on soybeans, which is at a rationing position. On wheat, expected to come in around 860 million bushels on new crop. 850 is where we're at on the old crop for wheat carryout. Corn, like I said, going to be a little bit more of a change expected today. 1.45 billion bushel old crop carryout. New crop expected to see that jump up to the top side of 2 billion bushels. So looking for a pretty big rebound there. Anything less than that, obviously, would have a positive spin on the market, but we need to see it. Third and final thing, over the weekend, the U.S. and China held trade talks. Apparently, they went very well. Reports this morning that tariffs will drop down to 10%. Now, the details are still extremely sketchy on this, but all tariffs cutting down to 10%. It's a 90-day pause. Now, talks are going to continue. The trade war isn't necessarily over, but the outlook is a lot more promising here this morning. That is giving soybeans the big gainer in the market there, corn tacking on a little bit, but the outside markets, we got the US dollar and equity screaming higher, gold up, crude oil up over $2 a barrel, gold down hard, down over $120 an ounce as we see that managed money and that safe haven buying slip out of gold and come back into the market. We need to keep this momentum going now. So watch the headlines today to see if we get any contrary opinions or any pushback out of China in the news wires this morning. But looks pretty positive on the trade front moving forward. Now we just got to see if we can keep that momentum. Those are the three things I'm watching today.